I'm Christine Beach-Bamani, the CEO of CityServe of the Tri-Valley. Here at CityServe, we love to care coordinate and connect, and we do that with care coordination. We serve anyone that's in need, whether they're homeless, they're sheltered, whether they're a senior, a youth. We are here to help people get connected to local resources. During the pandemic, without the support of Livermore specifically, I don't know if CityServe would have survived financially. So that was just such a great gap funding, and hopefully a funding that will continue so we can continue to do great work. And we're excited that we just got approved for another year of funding with the Winter Relief Program from the City of Livermore. And that's great because we started our Caring Hotels Network. So we've been building relationships with the local hotels. We have MOUs with them. And so as we work with people and we place them in different hotels throughout Livermore, then we have that funding that will really help with that case management, the care coordination, so that hopefully we can get them placed permanently afterwards. We know CityServe, we cannot take care of every need, and we aren't a specialist in every area. So a really important collaboration that we're piloting actually right now is called Livermore Connects, and that joins Tri-Valley Nonprofit Alliance, Tri-Valley Haven, Access Health, Open Heart Kitchen, and CityServe together, where we all have different lanes and we have different specialties, and we're just canvassing certain areas to make sure that everybody has access to resources. So whether it's medical, food insecurity, whether it's care coordination or housing, we are all joining together in our specialty areas to make sure everybody knows that resources are available to them. Check out our website, www.cityservecares.org, and any way to get involved is on there. We started as a volunteer organization, so I think it was late 2019 with the HEAP funding, we started to do case management. And so I think one of the greatest achievements is taking what was case management and creating what we call the care model and the care wheel. Because being in this for 29 years, I've seen a lot of Band-Aid type of solutions, and the care model really takes a look at our participants holistically. Another thing is just the impact. So just the cities really came together to get that initial HEAP funding, and look today, we're serving close to, I would say, 6,000 individuals per year that are enrolled, whether it's a class, whether it's a program, whether it's care coordination, and that's just our little team. So I think with more community engagement and sustained funding, we're really going to make a long-term impact in a lot of lives. The Caring Hotels Network, I think this is going to be revolutionary for cities all over. When you can partner with local hotels who have a lot of empty rooms, and then you partner with city people and individuals, residents in the community that can help fund that. There's a place where we can place people that are maybe a single mom or somebody with children or somebody with an animal that don't fit into the traditional shelters, where we can do case management while they're there until we can find a housing solution. I think that's going to change things, and it engages our local hotels. And then the last thing I'm very excited about, we instituted the Be Well initiative, and this is really for all of our frontline workers when we're dealing with trauma all day long, and this is across the board at all the nonprofits we work with. Our people on our teams are not that different from the people we serve. They're struggling, they're single mom, they have health issues, and so we instituted the Be Well initiative to take care of our team so we can take care of our community. Should there be a CityServe in every city? Absolutely, and here's why. One is when people are in need, they don't even know sometimes where to start. Do I go to social services? Do I go to a church? They don't know. So it's great to have the CityServe where they can come in, sit down with the care coordinator and say, okay, I have this issue with my son, I have this, I lost my spouse. And we can sit down and go, okay, here, we've already done the work. Here's all the different agencies, and let's help you create a path so you don't waste time, waste money, and get really discouraged in the process. So CityServe is just a great place to start in every single city, and I think every single city should definitely have one. So something that's really important to me as the leader, but also to impart into my team, is to really care about people. I didn't want people coming in, even though we're funded a lot by government, to not feel like a government agency in the sense of, take a number, here's your case to be managed. I really wanted to change that messaging to, we care about your story. It's not just about you maybe losing your house, but what got you there? Tell me a little bit about your hobbies. Tell me, and build those relationships, because there's that nuancing that happens when you're meeting with people and maybe they think this is the crisis, but they're not looking at the root. So you don't know those things unless you care about people's stories. So our team is being indoctrinated with our vision of just really taking the time to slow the roll. I know that our needs are urgent, but let's slow the roll and listen. CityServe's doors are always open. We serve everyone. So if you're in need, you know someone in need, please have them come by our office. If you're someone in the community and you're like, what are you doing with homeless? I see them everywhere, these older people, or you have a passion area, you were so frustrated with something and you're like, let's do something, please talk to me. I'd love to go out to coffee. You can reach me at connect@cityservecares.org or go to our website, cityservecares.org. I would love to connect with you in any way. You can come for a tour in our office, or you can just meet with anyone on my team. So thank you, stay connected, stay engaged in the work we do, and we can make a difference in our community.